Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken vada. To begin, you will need 500 grams of boneless, minced chicken. Also, prepare 1 large onion, finely chopped, along with 2 green chilies, and 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Don't forget fresh curry leaves and cilantro for that authentic aroma. Finally, have 1 teaspoon of garam masala and salt ready to season our delicious mixture. Now let's craft our vada mixture. In a large bowl, combine the minced chicken with your chopped onion, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, cilantro, garam masala, and salt. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. This helps bind everything together perfectly. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly with your hands until they are well combined. Then, refrigerate the mixture for about 30 minutes to firm it up, making it easier to shape. It's time to shape and fry our delicious vadas. Take small, lemon-sized portions of the chilled chicken mixture. Gently flatten each portion into a round, disc-like shape, about 1/2 inch thick. Heat cooking oil in a deep pan over medium heat until it's shimmering. Carefully place the vadas into the hot oil, frying them in batches. Cook each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your homemade chicken vadas are now ready. Once fried, carefully remove them from the oil and place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve these hot, crispy chicken vadas immediately to enjoy their best texture and flavor. They pair wonderfully with a refreshing mint chutney or even a classic tomato ketchup. These flavorful snacks are perfect as an appetizer or a delightful tea-time treat. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.